In this video we're going to have a look at how to make a StemPlot using Microsoft Excel. Now this is not pretty, it's not quick, so I'll only show a part of it. I'm going to try and do a back-to-back StemPlot. Okay, it's back-to-back stem and leaf plot. So what I've done is I've organised some data and I'm comparing the memory retaining abilities of females versus males. Okay, now I need to have a look at the smallest value for both, 0 and 0, and also the largest value, 57 and 105. Okay, so I see that my stem is going to have to range from 0 through to 10. Okay, now I'm going to just double click here and make that narrow. Now I'm going to work my way through the females, and I see there are 3 zeros there. So we just type in our values for 0, and then I see the next one is 26, then 27, then 2 28s, then 32, 5, 6, so 3 6s. Okay, now I'm going to just see if this little trick works. Yep, just narrow down my stem plot, narrow my leaves. Okay, what about 40? So we've got 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, and 6. Looks like I'll have to add a row in, so I can just do that by right click, insert. Now I was at 46, so 49, and then it must be 56 and 57. Now one of the useful things I did here was I sorted this data first of all. So to sort it, I highlighted all of this, those 2 rows. I went data, then I went sort. I told it to sort by memory and then sort on the values. And this time, just so you can see it change, I'll change it from largest to smallest. And you can see the data here is swapped around. If I press Ctrl Z, it'll go back. Okay, so there's the females done. Now we'll do the males, and we can see we've got 5 zeros, and then 30, then 31, 31, 32, 5, 7, 8, 9. We'll just highlight all of those and make them a good width. So now we've got 40, 40, 1, 4, 8, 9. Then we've got 2 50s, 58, 60, 66, 71, and then 105. Okay, now you can do a bit of making it a bit neat and giving it the relevant titles and so forth. Okay, and the other thing to do is to make clear which one is the stem. So we can highlight that, now go up to Home, and then click on the borders, and just click right border, click left border. Okay, now if you want to cut and paste that into a say a Word document, I would zoom in, and then I would use either your screen clipping tool, or basically just copy that and paste it direct into your Word document. I find it best to use the screen clipping tool because then you've got no fiddling around with the cells. Having a look at this data, it looks like the males are in the lead here, but much more data would need to be analysed. Anyway, The only other thing to do is to write a key, and here we can say that 2/6 equals 26, and just remember to have that line between that 2 and 6. Okay, so that's a bit dodgy there. You'd have to make that key totally separate. Rightio, thanks for listening.